in digital classes announcing by Bhagavad English Academy Shivapuri, and today I am here for class 6 knowing odd number. Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss about the numbers and their properties. And dear student, one more important thing here, that you know very well about the numbers, yeah, otherwise you can say you have studied in your previous classes in 5th and 4th also about the numbers and some topics related to the numbers, how to they write and how to read the number. After that, you have studied about the numbers, their order, ascending order and descending order. In order, you have studied about the ascending order and descending order, and also the comparison, how to compare the numbers, greater than and smaller than, and place value and face value, place value and face value, Indian system and international system, Indian system and international system. So today we again discuss about these things, their order. Order means ascending order and descending order, place value and face value, and also place value chart of Indian system, place value chart of international system, Indian system and international system, how to write according to Indian system and how to write in international system using the comma. Okay, so let's start our class. First, we have defined about these number according to order, and in this I will tell you how many numbers you can frame, yeah, you can make. How many numbers you can make if the digits are given. If the digits are given, suppose that for an example, dear student, using the separate numbers, yeah, using the digits, make that 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number, but repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed, and what happens if repetition is allowed? And from this number, you know that for an example, a simple example, if I have having only 3 digits, 3, 7 and 5. Using these 3 digits, how many numbers I can frame and you can frame? So try to make the numbers. First number 375. Okay. Now we have changed the place, 3 on the 10th place and 7 on the 100th place from the right side. So next number is 735. Again, we have changed the places, 3 on 5, 5 on 3, 573, 573. Next, again change 5 on 7, 7 on 5, so we get 7, 5, 3, 5 and 7. So in this way you can frame numbers if the digits are given, but here we are discussing only and only for framing greatest and smallest number. How to make greatest number and how to make smallest number. Smallest number. Okay. So understand and this concept using new example. And what is saying this question? Using digits, 12507. Using digits 1, 2, 5, 0 and 7, make the greatest and smallest number. If repetition is not allowed, if repetition is not allowed means you can use one digit only one time. One time, okay. Repetition is not allowed means you can't use 1 2 time. Otherwise you can say 2 2 time, 5 3 time, 0 2 time, 7 2 time. This is not allowed. You can use one digit only one time. So using this way, make the greatest number and smallest number. So how to write a solution? First, we are making here greatest number. So greatest number using the digits 1 2 5 7 507 only once. So dear student, there is one important thing. If you are making greatest number, so first you write the greatest number that is given in question. Greatest number. Check which is greatest number here. 12507. 12507. This is greatest number here. Here greatest number is 7. Okay. So first you write 7. After that you write the smaller number. So you have write here 5. Okay. After that you write again smaller number, that is 2. After that you write 1, and after that at last you write 0, because 0 is the smaller number of the given number. Okay. Now you can say 75,210 is the greatest number. Okay. Dear student, one more important thing. When you writing any greatest number and smallest number, okay, don't write the numbers in separate. Okay, don't write. Means most of students repeating, they can frame the number in greatest and smallest number, but they have to count. Okay, this is the wrong process. So you will write in this manner. No need to put the comma. Okay, you can use comma, but according to the place value chart. Understand? Otherwise you can write in this way 75,210, and in next topic, in next content, I will tell you how to use the comma in Indian system and according to international system. Okay, so in this way you can frame the greatest number, and how to frame the smallest number. Yeah, how to write the smallest number. So for the smallest number you can use first smaller number. So dear student, first read the question again carefully. What is saying this question? Using digits. You know that how many digits are given here? 5 digits are given, different. Okay. Using digits, frame the greatest 5 digits. If 5 digits is asking, because 5 digits are already given, 5 digits is asking, then this is very important content for you. Okay, you have allowed to use 5 all. Okay, so using 5, how to frame the smallest number? Dear friend, same process but something different. What is different here? Okay, look here. When we framing the smallest number, we write the smaller number. So we get the small number 0. After that we write 1, 2, 5 and 7. So it is your smaller number, but you know that how to read this number. If we start from right side, and according to place value chart, we have count 1, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. And on the 10,000 place is 0. That is having no value. Because how to read this number? We have already 1,257 means 1000 having only 4 digits. Okay, 1000 having only here only, otherwise 5 digits. Okay, 10,005 and 1000 place having 4 digits. Okay, so this is 4 digit number, but question is saying frame the smallest 5 digit number. So if we are framing 5 digit number, so no need to use this manner. First you write smaller number, expect 0. Means you have left the 0, okay, and after that which small number come, then we can write 1, and then you can use 0, okay, 0, and same process you can write. Next greater number is 2, after that 5, and after that 7, that is your smaller number. And how to read this number? 10,257, that is the smaller number, the smallest number, using these digits only once. If sometimes digits are repetition is allowed, sometimes digits repetition is allowed, but some conditions are given. Some conditions are given. So I hope you are getting my points. How to frame the number? How to frame the greatest and smallest number using digits only. Repetition is not allowed. Okay. For next example, look here. How to frame again? Yeah, how to make greatest and smallest number? 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit. Okay, I am now making another number. Okay, using digits 3, 9, 0, 5, 7, and 6. Make the smallest and greatest 6-digit number if you can allow to repeat 2 digits 2 times. If you are allowed, if repetition is allowed only for 2 digits, and you can use these 2 digits 2 times. Means we can write 7 2 times, we can write 6 2 times only. Okay, you can write 9 2 times, you can write 3 2 times. Okay, 2 times means you know very well about the 2 times, 3 and 3, that is called 2 times. Okay, so how to frame the greatest number? How to frame the greatest number? Dear student, if repetition is allowed, but particularly repetition is given for the separate digits. Okay, for separate digits means here I am saying you can repeat only 5 and 3. Only 5 and 3. You can allow to repeat 5 2 times and 3 2 times. So how to frame the greatest number and how to frame the smallest number? So dear student, look here. Now I am framing greatest 6-digit number. Greatest 6-digit number, and now I am doing some things. Yeah, I have given here only 4 digits in this question. Okay. Using underlined digits, that is allowed to repeat it 2 times. Make the greatest 6-digit number and smallest 6-digit number. That is our question. So how to frame or how to make the greatest number? First we write greater number. So here greater number is 9. Okay. And look here, in this question 9 is not allowed 2 times, so we write only 1 time. After that use smaller number. So next small number is 5. And 5 is repeated 2 times, allowed. So we write 5 2 times. Okay. After that we check the next small number, that is 3. So we write 3 2 times because this is also allowed 2 times. And next we write 0. That is the smallest number. Okay. So check again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 digits. Okay. And that is the greatest 6-digit number. Using these digits, if repetition is allowed for separate numbers. Okay. And how to frame the smallest number? How to frame the smallest number? Same process, but I told you in an earlier example, no need to use 0 first letter, no need to start through 0. Okay, if you are framing any number, okay, so you start from next number. So from 0, we are not using, so we have used here 3. But one more important, if you have write here 3 again, then your smallest number is not correct. Why? Because after 3 you can use 3 2 times. Okay, but 3 after that you write 0. I told you in familiar example. After the one place you can use 0, otherwise the smallest number is not familiar. Okay? Will not familiar. Okay? So 3 0 and after that you can use 3 and then use 5 to 9 and last you write 9. So 3,03,559 is the smallest 6-digit number. In this way you can frame the numbers. Are you getting my points? I hope you are enjoying. Okay? Keep watching because in this video we will discuss about next place value of Indian system and international system. Otherwise you can see place value chart of Indian system and international system. These are very interesting topics of mathematics and in your class also. And these are very useful for our daily life because our life starts from counting and end with counting. So these are very important topics for you. And now I am telling you how to write place value chart of Indian system and international system. This is very important topic and comparison in both systems. Okay. Dear students, you know that according to Indian system, okay, how to count the number, how to write the number. Okay, now we will discuss about here from Indian system. Okay, so according to Indian system, we have write ones, after that tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. This is our place value chart according to the Indian system. Okay. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Dear student, this place value chart divided in 4 periods. 4 periods. Ones, tens and hundred. This is called ones period. Okay. 1,000 and 10,000. This is called 1,000 period. Okay. Lakh and 10 lakh. This is called lakh period. And crore and 10 crore. This is called crore period. Okay. So separately we have write the name according to period, according to Indian system. Okay. Now, how can we use this? Okay. Dear student, along this place value chart, we have need to understand the concept of also comma. How to use the comma? Same process. After the 100 from the right side. After the 100 from the right side, you have put the comma. Means after 3 digits. Ones, tens and 100, you can put comma. And remaining place value chart, and next comma you put after the 10,000. Next comma you can put after the 10 lakh and after the 10 lakh. In this way means the how to put the comma in the Indian system on first 3 place, after that 2 and 2 from the right side. Okay, are you getting my points? Now I am telling you this place value chart help us to reading and writing the number. And how? Look here, students. I am writing some numbers here. 987657065. Okay, these are the number. Okay, 5 on 1 place, 6 on 10 place, 0 on 100 place, 7 on 1000 place, 5 on 10,000 place, 6 on lakh place, 7 on 10 lakh place, 8 on crore and 9 on 10 crore place. Okay, so how to help us to read the numbers? Now I am telling you. Look here. First we make the period. One period. One period, how many digits are there? In one period there are 3 digits. 1, 10 and 100, and after that we put the comma. 065. Okay. After that we make the next period, that is 1000. So 1000 period is 57. And we make that, we put the comma. Then after that we choose last period. In last period there are also 2 digits, that is 676, and we put the comma. And last 10 crore, and you can see crore period. So in crore period there are 2 digits, 9 and 8. In this way you can put the comma properly. First 3, after that 2 and 2 and 2. Now how to help this table or this Place-Value chart to reading this number. Now check. This is 1 period, this is 1000 period, this is late period, this is crore period. So we start from left side and first we read the first crore period. How many crore are there? Okay? Speak together. Yeah, speak in a pair. It means these two numbers in a one pair, in crore pair, okay? In crore period. So we speak together. 98. 98. 98 crore. Next period is late. 76. Late. Next period is 57. 57. Okay. So we write here 57,000. And last period is ones. Okay. And you know that 0 on 100 place. Okay. So how to write? Yeah, how to write? Okay. Yeah, how to speak? 0 165. No. If 0 is here, so we can't speak 0. Direct we can take this is 65. Okay. So you write here 65. In this way you can read and write the number according to Indian system. I hope you are getting my point. Okay. Now I am telling you how to write according to international system. Okay. How to write according to international system. And what is the difference between Indian system and international system? Look here. According to international system, first we draw the Place-Value chart. Okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, and last 100 billion. So I think you are understanding the concept of Indian system and international system. What is changing here in Place-Value chart? What are changes coming in both Place-Value charts? Okay. So now we have right. First we understand the Place-Value chart of international system. Okay. And after that we have compare between Indian and international system. Okay. We will compare. First, in international system, ones, 100, ones, tens and 100 similar to Indian system. 1000, 10,000 also similar to Indian system, but here 100,000 is coming. Means something different is coming. Okay. Million, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. So all the terms are changing now. Okay. So first we break here. You can say first we separate this international system and this Place-Value chart in periods. Okay. Same as Indian system. These 3 digits from the right side. From the right side, these 3 digits 1, 10 and 100 is called ones period. Ones period. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. This is called 1000 period. Okay. Million, million, 10 million and 100 million is called million period. Billion, 10 million and 100 million is called billion period. Okay. So I think you are easily comparing about between Indian system and international system. What is the difference? What are the differences between Indian system and international system? Are you getting my points? Okay. Means in this system easily we can write the number and we can easily read it. Okay. How? Suppose that we have write some number here 5, 0, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 1, 2, 9, 3, 4. How to read this larger number? Because how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 digits. Okay. So how to read this large number? This is very easy. This is very easy to read this number if we have used international system and according to international system and place chart, and if we are putting separately comma. Okay. If using comma, you can say place chart help us to reading and writing the number. Okay. And also recognize in which system the numbers are written. In ratio, in Indian system or in Indian system. Okay. Using the comma. Look now, I am putting the comma first. After the first period, you put the comma. So means 405 and we have put the comma from right side. After that, we have put the 1000. So in 1000 or in 1000 period, there are 2 digits. 6, 7 and 675. We put the comma. Next, after the million, means in million, period 2, 1 and 8 is given. 2, 1, 8 and in next 4, 3 and 9 in billion period 3 digits are also given. In international system we have put, okay, we have put the comma after 3 digits. This is very easy concept, okay, to learn. Now we have to read and we have to write. Yeah, how we write and how to read this number using the international system. Okay. So you have start the number from the left side. From the left side. Okay. So from the left side, which period comes first? First you check according to place in the chart. Okay. Because you know that it is not necessary to all the digits given, all the numbers given in 12 digits. Some examples related to 8 digits, 7 digits, 9 digits, 12 digits, 11 digits. Okay. So in this way you have start check first which period will start first. Okay. So here which period is running now? First we have start from billion. Okay. So we have split together this pair. This difference, sorry, 439. First we write 439. After that write the period. Which period is here? Billions. So write billions. Next 218. So write here 218. 218 and this period here millions. So write millions. Next period 1000 period. So we write 675. 675. And after that we write period thousands. And last we write 405. Here you can separate it and 405. Okay students, so I hope you are getting my points how to write the numbers in Indian system and international system, and easily you can compare between Indian system and international system. One and two differences are there. Okay. easily according to comma you can tell what is the difference between Indian system and Indian system. Okay, because in Indian system we have put comma after the digit and remaining number remaining periods. In remaining periods we have put the comma after the two digit, but in Indian system we have put the comma after the three digit. Okay, and also the place value chart value. Okay, in Indian system we have used lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore, but in international system we have used million and billion to represent the large number, to writing the large number, and mostly this system is used to writing and reading the large number. Okay, are you getting my points? So in this chapter, I am again revising your chapter class 6, knowing on number. And earlier classes we studied about order, place value and face value. Also studied from successor, predecessor, okay, comparison, okay, and comparison symbol also. But again I am telling in this class how to compare in order, how to compare place value and face value, and in order I told you how to frame the number, greatest number or smallest number, place value and face value. Here I am getting place value chart of both system, Indian system and international system, and after that we have discussed here the how to write a number in Indian system and international system using comma. Okay, and how to read and how to write. So in both way you can use Indian and international system, and try to solve the exercise. And one more thing, important thing here. You can compare the given both the place value charts and frame some question. How many millions are equal to the 1000? How many 10 millions equal to 1000? Otherwise, you can say how many millions make a billion. In this way, you can frame the question and solve it. Try to solve all the questions. If you are getting any problem, so you can discuss it anytime. Okay. Thank you for.